Hey guys, it's Alliah. Welcome back to Cozy Corner. This week we are going to be doing a rocket ship. So in your bags this week you're going to be getting a black piece of construction paper, three different colors of foam. Now yours may be different colors than mine. We have all sorts of colors. Two different colors of tissue paper, and a handful of stars. So, what you're gonna do is, the first thing you're gonna do is start deciding what colors you want your rocket ship to be, because there's two different parts. There's gonna be the triangle part and the square part. The triangle part that goes on top, and the square part that's the rest of the rocket. So for me, I've decided I want my triangle part to be blue. So I am going to draw with my marker. I'm going to draw a triangle, and a triangle has three sides. And you may want some help with this one if you're little, but I'm going to cut my triangle out of my foam. There we go. Alright, so now I have my triangle, and now the rest of my foam is going to be squares or rectangles. Doesn't really matter which one. But they're going to be about the same size. One side is going to be about the same size as the bottom, of my triangle here. Let's see. I'm going to cut down here. And down here. And that would actually get me enough rocket, but I want some different colors on my rocket, so I'm going to do the same thing with my orange. Alright. Now, I'm going to cut some squares out of this. So I'm just going to cut straight across. Zip. 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 And straight across my red. Zip. Perfect. So now I have all my pieces of my rocket. I'm going to put these to the side for a sec. And I'm going to pull out my paper. So I'm going to be doing mine upside down for me so that you guys can see it. So at the top here, I'm going to take my glue. And because I want mine to look nice, I'm going to put it on the side. You can see here. On the side that I drew my triangle on, to hide the marker. You don't have to if you don't want to. So now I'm going to put it right here. And now I think for my rocket I want to make a pattern, so I'm going to draw a couple of lines of glue on down here just so stuff stays on. So my pattern's going to go orange, red, orange, red, and I'll try and line these up a little. And then I'm going to leave some space at the bottom here, because that is where your tissue paper comes in. So I'm going to start just tearing up my tissue paper to make the fire that comes out of the rocket. Okay, maybe what I'll do is I'm going to put a big old blob of glue here, and I'm going to start arranging my fire. And it does not matter if yours looks like mine or not. You can do whatever you want. Fire is very different from one another. Free fire is unique and different. Yours might have some orange in it even. So now, if you want, what you can do is you can decide if you want to write something on your rocket. So I'm gonna write my name. A L L I A H. If you want, you could also just draw something on your rocket. So maybe you want to draw a planet or a star or maybe a little alien. Whatever you want. And now your final finishing touches are going to be your stars. And you can put them wherever you want, because this rocket is already in the sky, so it's already got stars all around it. And these stars are stickers, so you can peel it off and stick them on. And that is your rocket. I hope you enjoyed it. We would love to see some pictures. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.